Okay, now sometimes factoring gets a little bit confusing, so I'm going to give an example. Find the prime factorization of 882. Now, the first thing we recognize is that it ends in a 2, so it's even. That means it can be divided by 2. Now, if you divide it by 2, 882 divided by 2 is 441. The factor cake method would go this way. The other one would be 882 is 2 times 441. Now, okay, 441, it's not divisible by 2 anymore, but 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. That can be divided by 3, so it can be divided by 3. Now, rather than do another long division, we can go in here. We say, what is 441 divided by 3? 3 goes into 4 once with a remainder of 1. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12 with a remainder of 2. And 3 goes into 21 7 times. Now, perhaps you want to do it like this. 441 divided by 3 is 1. You can totally do it this way. 4, 12, 7, 21. But it's a little bit faster this way. Now, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. It can again be divided by 3 because 12 can be divided by 3. 3 goes into 14 4 times, remainder 2, and then 9. And now this one's a little bit tricky. 49 can't be divided by 2 because it ends in an odd number. Can't be divided by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. And 4 plus 9 is 13. There isn't a 3 in it, but hopefully you know that 49 is 7 times 7. So the end result is 882 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. If you want to be fancy, 2 times 3 squared times 7 squared.